I've wasted my mid-20s.
My name is Tamika. I learned that telling people no is okay sometimes. I think self-love was a big part of that.
Looking back in my early 20s, which was 5 years ago, I really thought that my life was going to be different. I thought I was going to be in a committed relationship. I thought I was going to be moving to LA. And I also thought I was going to be a successful actor. And it's really strange because I often compare my mid-20s the way that my parents grew up during that period of their time. But looking back at where I am now, boy, was I wrong. As a 24-year-old, I am not where I want to be.
Understand that if you're not where you want to be today, that things are going to look different.
I am one to plan things out, but I also love the fact sometimes you just have to give yourself some credit to just let things just go. Naturally, things come your way. And even if it doesn't even go the way it's planned, it takes years to get to where you are. 10 years, grind that shit. Grind that shit. I don't know why I said it like that, but like literally grind so much to the point when you get to your 30s, you already have 10 years of experience. What advice do you give to someone that is in their 20s?
Don't be so quick to settle down with someone. You need to really date and get to know that person.
I was so fixated a few months ago on just finding the right one. I would go on dates and I would tell myself, oh my gosh, they would be the right one, and then ended up they would literally break my heart. That would be a separate video. I'm now starting to learn to stop fixating on things that you cannot control. The more that you worry, the more that you're not trusting yourself that you're gonna get it. That's just facts. If you know you're gonna get something, you don't have to worry about it. I am a big overthinker. I think about everything, but meditation and really reflecting in my journal has taught me to just enjoy the life that I have now and not to really focus more on the future and where my life is gonna be in 10 years. And I would say it's not gonna be perfect. That's why I say be mindful. You're gonna make a conscious decision to not go that deep route. Stop being in control of things. I used to be a people pleaser. Oof, why did I say it like that? But like, that's really the truth. I used to always say yes to shit that I just never really wanted to do. Your mental health, yourself comes first more than anyone.
Mental health is really big right now as well. So I would say, yep, just feeding into yourself. Make sure you're feeding into yourself.
I always like to say you can't pour from an empty cup. You're gonna have to put things in that cup, which is a lot of self-reflection and meditation that I mentioned, in order for you to give it to others.
I soon found out that no is okay because you have to take care of you.
I'm starting to really cut my ties with people who are just not for me. Someone's mannerism can tell me a lot about them without even them talking. I used to always want so many friends. I remember I told my parents when I was like in intermediate school, I thought it was so cool to have everyone like you. But I just now, as I'm getting older, I'm realizing that those friends, they don't all have your back, babe. You gotta watch out for people's energy, because people's energy can change up like this. Like, I just don't care if they've been your best friend for 20 years. It doesn't matter. That's why most marriages last for 8 years, because every 10 years people change. We don't like change, but change is good for us because it pivots us to better places. So, all right, now we're gonna do some reflecting, because I still have a couple of months till I turn 25, and I put on here, I said, who am I in my mid-20s? I am very spontaneous, very goal-oriented. I think those words kind of describe myself in my mid-20s. I want them to really, really stick to me, especially in my bad parts in my life. It's important to keep a journal or keep words that you know and just repeat them to yourself. It's really important to me to continue to strive and be my best self. So before I end this video, I have an exercise for you. I want you to take out a sheet of paper and I want you to describe yourself. I don't want you to overthink it. Put it underneath your mattress, lock it up. I don't fucking know. I want you to come back to this video and I want you to write what changed. Because you may see that a lot of things change from that list that you never thought was gonna happen. It may be some that are the same, but your path will change. and you would never know. And I'm actually gonna do it too because I think it's interesting. But yeah, all right guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I love you all so much. For those of you that continue to support my channel, it means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know. I love you all, and I'll see you in next week's video, baby.